Hey Starlings! This video is a little bit different. For those who did not know, I own too many wigs. I own too many of them. I own too many hair pieces, far too many wigs. However, I love it because it helps me not bleach or damage my hair. I know my hair, you can't see right now because I have it up, but yes, I bleached it. There's a lot of parts of it that are purple, but that was the first time I ever bleached my hair. I was so afraid to do it. I didn't want to do it for a very long time. So I purchased wigs. And I don't know if I'll ever bleach my hair again. However, I have wigs to keep me from damaging my hair. And today we will be, they call it installing a wig. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So people are like, what does installing a wig mean? I didn't know that term until TikTok happened. I didn't know it until TikTok became a thing. I typically just use like the fishnet wig cap, it's a fly, and some spirit gum and boom, wig's on. But I saw some really cool tips and tricks of a lot of people on TikTok when they put on wigs. So I'm going to try their method today, and we're going to see if it yields the same result or even better, and we'll see what happens. So first thing is we got to remove this bun because you want your hair to be flat. I see a lot of people braiding their hair like in rows to keep it as flat as possible under the wig cap. I don't know how to braid my own hair. I can braid hair, but I don't know how to braid my own hair, especially like that. I had 8 sisters and none of them taught me how to braid quite like that. So we're taking out this little fake bun and we're gonna let this hair down. Oh, of course it looks great right now, but I'll have to live with it. Sorry, my camera died and also the sun went down. But now we have better lighting, I think. And I pinned up my hair with a scrunchie and bobby pins to try and make it as flat as possible so we can apply the wig cap. It's not the fishnet one though. You'll see. It looks like a sock. Okay, so from what I've seen, whoa, we're just gonna, oh, I wonder if this will fit. I have a big head. Oh, jeez. Oh, no. So, in retrospect, I didn't think this through because I have a pretty large head. Okay, hold on. This is gonna be far more tedious than I previously expected. Okay. They didn't have sizes. Oh, jeez. Okay. Oh. Oh wait, it says to go over my ears. Born in 1964. I'm so sorry. Now I know why they braided their hair. All my baby hairs are getting in the way. And it also like went over the eyes, so you kind of look like a robber, a bank heist. Mwah. But no, I'm gonna, if I can see, I'm gonna cut, at least so I can, I'm gonna cut some of it so that I can see. Maybe I don't have to go this far. I don't have to go this far. Hold on. Well, I have to cover my ears, so. Oh no. Why do I have to have big ears? This is so difficult. So frustrating. Okay, so I'm gonna, I'm gonna have to do this. I don't want to do this. Okay, well now I'm not gonna be able to see, but I'm gonna take this. It's a freezing spray. It's like a really strong hairspray. And I'm just gonna I don't know. I have my spirit gum. Oh wow, stuff's in my eyes now. I have spirit gum. I might use that to glue it down and then cut once it dries. This should be my new profile picture on all my social medias. Now I would say I should have brought a mirror so I could see what I was doing. I mean, it's no use go grabbing it right now because I still can't see what I'm doing. I'm just basically gluing down right before my natural hairline is where I can kind of see it. Just to glue it down enough. I should have paid attention more to the videos that I watched. I didn't really pay attention. I just thought this would be fun. We're having fun. Right, guys? We're having so much freaking fun right now. So what I planned now, after thinking about it for a total of 30 seconds, I'm going to do a thing where I make a bandana, a makeshift bandana, because I saw them do this, but it's usually when the wig was already on. But I'm going to do this now, just so I have it in place while the glue dries. Oh, this is going to dry this on top of it. Okay. Alright. Nice. Nice. So we're going to do that. Let's not tie it in a knot because you'll never get it off. You know what? It's a look. And then we're going to cut. First, I'm going to cut this. I feel like a caterpillar finishing her cocoon. Hey. So we got that, and I'm gonna probably grab a mirror and cut the little ear hole things, you know? That's what I'm gonna, hey. So this is what I'd look like bald. All right, I can roll with it. So I'm gonna kind of cut into little sections, I think. Why are my scissors working? Maybe I shouldn't close my eyes, you know? I've returned with a mirror. Is that what you're supposed to do? I don't know anymore. I don't know anymore. So for those people who do know how to, quote, install wigs, and you're watching this, I'm so sorry. Okay, so I cut ear holes off screen, and I don't have that, I think it's like ghost glue or whatever that I saw a lot of people using. I know some of my hair is showing. I screwed that up. Don't at me. And this might be a little too much. It is too much. One second, I'm gonna cut that. I have spirit gum, and we're just gonna use that to really secure everything to where it needs to be. First I'm gonna fix this, and then we're gonna glue it all down and do a couple of layers to maybe try and blend it. I don't know if that ghost glue or whatever that they use helps blend it, kind of like liquid latex would help blend prosthetics. I'm just talking like off the top of my head here. Let me fix this because it looks really bad. Okay, I kind of fixed it. I sort of fixed it. I didn't really fix it. But now we're gonna apply the spirit gum just so everything, you know, sticks. And what I'm gonna do is, because these come with nice little brush applicators already in the bottle, I'm going to lay everything down with it like this instead of putting it underneath the lace, not lace, what is this stuff? You know what I'm talking about. When in doubt, the wig I have prepared has baby hairs, which is nice. I also know that a lot of people who do this method have like a little like spatula tool to blend. I don't have that. Alright, so we're gonna let this layer set. And then I'm going to go in with another layer. And then we're gonna put powdered foundation on top. Not liquid, we're gonna do powder foundation so it's not as porous and you don't see all the netting. Okay, the methods, it's all coming together for me now, slowly, because when it comes to things like this, you gotta be patient with me. I just gotta think things through. So for those who actually care and may, or for some random reason, want to follow this, I'm starting like on the big part of the head. I'm brushing down towards the forehead, just so I can lay down every single part of the lace. Not lace, this is not lace. Why do I keep saying lace? I hate this part that you can see because you don't see it here. I cut too much, so that's a lesson that will have to be. So I'm not sure if I used the right powder foundation for this. This is that L'Oreal Infallible one. It's also, it was a TikTok trend, so I thought it was fitting. There went the sponge for that. To try and blend everything, it would help if you guys could see. I'm not swiping, swiper no swiping. Say it with me. It's not really getting rid of the shine like I was hoping it would, but you know. It's also 3 shades lighter than my actual head. Now I think it is time for the wig. She's very long. I've nicknamed her Millie short for Melisandre, and I fell in love with her when I saw her at the wig shop when I went there with my friend recently. Move wig head. This is always like the trickiest part for me personally, and I don't know why. So, I don't know. I can't see. Oh wait, hold on. I can't see exactly where I'm placing it. And I have a big head, as we have all clearly established. So, big ears, big head. Oh, no. Okay, got one hook. And then we gotta loosen up the other side, which is already loosened. Great. Let's try this again. And I like how she has a lot of clips. Okay. Can't see anything. Hold on, I need to move. Okay, I had to push all the baby hairs back as far as I could and figure out where I wanted it. I gotta get rid of some of this here because it can be seen. Yeah, but she's on there. I gotta push back all the baby hairs so I don't cut them yet. I'm gonna trim them because they're very long for baby hairs. They're grade school hairs. This is a good choice. Thank you, Eileen. Eileen kind of convinced me to get this one and helped me name her. So thank you so much. She's a beautiful choice. I just don't want to mess up cutting this part. But I'm going to glue her down next with the same spirit gum. But off camera, I'm going to get rid of this part just so I can see where everything's going. Okay, so I pulled her back a little bit. And now we're going to lay down the glue. And then we're going to lay the lace back down. And I'm going to use that. You'll see. Not too many steps ahead. So we're just going to lay down the glue exactly where I pulled it up from. These hairs could stay out of my way while I'm working. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I think it's glued down as good as she's going to get. It sucks. I just gotta figure out where all the baby hairs lie. Okay, so they're up there, which is good. That's good. We like that. So, oh no, come on guys. Some of the baby hairs are stuck to the lace because I accidentally glued them down to it. No. This is so difficult. I don't like this way. I don't like this method, guys. I don't like this method at all. Can the baby hairs stay back, please? And I know you have to pluck it and everything. It's like, so if I bring down the baby hair, it kind of hides it. No, it doesn't. Okay, so all the baby hairs, I just quickly just set them down with just some gel at the moment. I'm going to fix them later. I didn't have the time, because my scissors are all covered in glue now, to trim them because they acted like bangs on me, so they were far too long. I also left some lace here because this method for me, I can't do it on my own. I would love it if I could find someone local to me to show me how to do it properly. Other than that, I don't think I'll be doing this method ever again because the wig cap is far too difficult for me to manage. I like the way that I do it personally. It's quicker. Does it look the same? No, obviously not. But I prefer the way I do it. No shame to those who do it this way. You guys obviously do it a whole lot better than what I did and can do it so much more justice. But I love the wig. I'm not going to give up on the wig. She's so pretty. And yeah, look at how, there's so much of it. I love it. It's so pretty. It's probably one of my favorites. I don't want to screw her up, you know? I can still part her and stuff, so I'm going to try and pluck it too, just so she looks a little more natural, if that is possible. But if you liked me making an absolute fool of myself, please give this video a like. If you have any tips or tricks to wig management, please leave them down below as well. I am still learning how to handle wigs. But this one is very comfortable, I will say. Comment down below what you thought of this video, what you think of Melisandre, and what color wig do you think I should get next. I'm trying to find one that's black with white streaks in the front, but I can't find any at my local shop, so I gotta look online. I think that's the next color I want, but let me know which ones you think would look cool. Please follow me. I have a lot of content now coming up in my head. I have a lot of ideas that I want to do. I have a lot of things down in my description box for you guys. A lot of coupon codes to save you money on different things, along with all my social media accounts to keep in contact with me. But with all that being said, I will see you all later. Real quick, I just want to say that I did it with the other method that I usually do, which is just the hairnet and then the glue. And instead of using like the thin wig cap and doing all that mumbo jumbo, this is how it looks. I like this a lot more. It's a lot quicker by a long shot. I love the wig regardless. I did trim up some of the baby hairs because they were like down to here, and those aren't baby hairs. Like I said, they're like toddler hairs. So I handled those. The back is very, very long. I just have it all bunched up behind my chair. But yeah, I just wanted to show just a little updated version of how I did this. Okay, bye for real.